How to set up Google Family Link on PC. So if you want to set up Google Family Link on your PC, then first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you just need simply open up your browser. After opening your browser, you need to go with search, and under search, you need to search for Google Family Link. After searching, go with the first option, which will take you to the official website. Now you need to go with sign in, which is on the top right, and make sure to sign into your account. Now from here, you just need simply go with the controls, which will be on the left side, or go with add a child. And does your child have a Google account? If yes, then you need to go with yes, or if no, you need to go with no. So you just need simply go and create a Google account for your child. So go with next, enter your child's first and last name, and then the date, month, and year, and the gender, and go with next, and enter the username and create a password. And after that, now you need to just scroll down and agree to the terms and conditions. And after that, go with I agree. After that, scroll down and go with next. But if you already have a child account, then you can go with yes, and you can sign in to your child's account. Now select your child's account, go with drop down, go with controls, which is on the left side. And from here, you can go with the options, any options that you're comfortable with. Like for example, if you go with Google Play, here you can block or set app limits or purchases or download approvals, content restrictions if you want to. And you'll also have an option of YouTube, which will take you to the YouTube Family Center. And from here, you can choose an experience for your child. Like you can select YouTube Kids and go with next, and select the age of your child and go with more and select. Allow your child to search for videos. If you want to turn it on, you can go with search on and go with stay up to date, next, and finish setup. That's it. And this way, you'll be able to control many more options like Google Chrome and web, Google search, Gemini, Google Assistant, Google Photos, location settings, and everything. You can also see the screen time of your child. You can add a device. So select your Android device that you would like to add, which your child uses, and you'll be able to see the screen time and what the apps they use. So that's how you can set up. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.